Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is my new video in the series of every iPhone tips. There will be a lot more tips in this series, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Also, you can click over here to see the playlist for my earlier videos on iPhone tips, mainly like how to download free music or free ringtones on your iPhones, how to remove water from your iPhone by just an application, and there are many more tips in this series. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. We all know that Siri is a voice assistant which we can activate and speak our commands to. But there are certain situations when you don't want to speak your commands. There is a solution. Go to Settings, go to General, go to Accessibility. Scroll down and choose Siri. Choose Type to Siri and come back. Now enable Siri by pressing the side button on your iPhone 10 and press and hold the home button on your iPhone 5 to iPhone 8. There you go. Just type your commands rather than speaking them. For example, cricket news. Now you can use Siri without disturbing anyone. Wasn't it easy? Subscribe for more iPhone tips in the future and do hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.